Okay, the parts have come in. It's time to get inside this computer and update it. We're going to change out the hard disk drive for a solid state drive. But first we got to do is we're going to get the computer cover off. And once that's off, we're going to jump inside and take out the old hard drive and put in the new solid state drive. Let's get at it. Okay, so here we are inside the computer. And all behind me, over this way, right over in here, that's where the hard drive is right now that we're going to take out and put the new solid state drive in. So I better look it over and figure out how to do this. Make sure we don't make a mistake and tear something up. Okay, let's get at it. Better get some tools. Well, I put it back together and it works.